The PNI IP240 camera films and records videos at a maximum resolution of Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels, which will ensure a very good image quality. More and more often, we notice the need to communicate audio with people near the camera. The PNI IP240 camera will allow this action with the help of the integrated microphone and speaker. Specifically, you can talk in a similar way to a telephone conversation with people near the camera. The PNI IP240 camera can be controlled from mobile devices through the dedicated CamHi application, compatible with Android and iOS, and from the PC through the HIP2P client software. The camera offers the user the possibility to remotely control the rotation at an angle of 355 horizontally and 120 degrees vertically for a much wider and almost complete view of the protected space.